Building a Patio Enclosure, How-To Sheet number 260. Building a patio enclosure is easy. The versatile Courtyard Collection allows you to surround your patio with style. To get started, you will need the following tools and materials: a square, string line, measuring tape, skill saw with a masonry blade, hammer and chisel, safety glasses, and work gloves. You will also need corner blocks, York blocks, Dublin blocks, wall caps, post caps, and masonry adhesive. This project demonstrates how to build courtyard walls and posts on top of a finished patio. To begin, start your wall at the corner and build out in both directions. To do this, you will need corner blocks and Dublin end split blocks, split into two pieces. See How-To Sheet number 210 for more information on splitting blocks. Set the split blocks aside and start your corner with a corner block. Then place 1/2 of the split block with its split side against the corner block. On the second course, alternate the placement of the corner block to offset the vertical seams. Now take the other half of the split block used on the first course and place it with its split side against the corner block. With the corner in place, continue building your wall out from the corner in both directions. Always build the first two courses at the same time to ensure proper alignment. Continue building to the post location. To end the bottom course, split a Dublin end split block and place the small piece with its split side facing out. To end the second course, split a Dublin center split block and place 1/2 with its split side facing out. Now let's build the first post. To begin, place 4 corner blocks in a square with their long sides facing out against the split blocks. Corner blocks have a long side and a short side. The long sides are always placed to the outside of the post. Once the blocks are in place, align them with the square. On the second course, place the corner blocks so that they overlap the 2 blocks beneath them. This pattern will offset the vertical seams. Start the next section by placing a Dublin center split block next to the house to start the wall panel. On every other course of the wall, you will always use a Dublin center split block. On alternate courses, you can either use a Dublin end split block or a York center split block. See How-To Sheet number 190 for more information. Begin the wall panel by splitting a Dublin center split block. Beginning at the house, place one piece with its split side against the house and set the other half aside for the end of this course. Then place the next block. Begin the second course by splitting a Dublin end split block. Place the large piece with its split side against the house and set the small piece aside for the end of the second course. Continue stacking 2 courses at a time up to the next post location. End each course with the split pieces previously set aside with the split sides facing out. Begin the second post by placing 4 corner blocks in a square against the split blocks with their long sides facing out. Then align them with the square. On the second course, place the corner blocks so that they overlap the 2 blocks beneath them. This pattern will offset the vertical seams. Once the bottom 2 courses are in place, continue building up courses on the posts and walls to the desired height, alternating the pattern on every other course. Use post caps to finish each post. You can choose to secure them in place with a bead of masonry adhesive near the outer edge of each corner block before placing the caps on the post. Now you're ready for wall caps. Wall caps have a long end and a short end. Place the first cap at the corner with the long end facing the outside of the corner. Rotate the position of the second cap to form a straight line. Then place a cap with its short end facing the outside of the corner against the first cap. Place another cap next to it, rotating it to form a straight line. Adjust the caps as necessary and continue working out from the corner in both directions. Once all the wall caps are in place, you can choose to secure them with a bead of masonry adhesive along both sides of the raised rings and between the wall caps. This will increase the wall's stability and prevent the caps from being moved out of position. In just a weekend, you can create a custom patio enclosure that you can build yourself. For a complete library of courtyard how-to sheets, visit us at allanblock.com.